dirty right now. Where should I go? Hello everyone. Today I took my car come here at University of North America, and that is like a good project to do like car wash, and it's so awesome. I saw like on the Facebook, and then I come follow them. Let's see, how was it? What are you doing today?
So I'm Sam, and I'm a part of Lambda Epsilon at Virginia Tech, and today, as you can see, we're hosting a car wash at the University of North America, and thank President, she allowed us to have this space, and all summer, we've been locked up due to COVID, and so it's nice just to be out here together as friends. Surprisingly, we have a lot of patrons, so we're very pleased. It's a great day, so we appreciate everything from the school and the president.
Okay, can you like show me? Yeah.
These are the guys. We have a little setup going. This person has
Okay.
You're gonna say something to the people. This is our former president. Say something to the people. Oh yeah, you found our car wash?
Yeah.
Free car wash.
Okay. Yeah, but how should we donate it?
Well, if you come through, you can pay us any amount of cash or write a check, or if you want, you can Venmo us at VT Lambdas. If you just want to donate to us and help us out, that'll be greatly